time to install the top timing chain covers. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the gaskets first. These channels are very well cleaned. They're pretty much squeaky clean. I've cleaned them with brake cleaner. So I'm going to install the gasket. Gasket is Victor Reigns from the original kit, and it's nice and soft rubber, so hopefully it will stop any oil leaks. If you own a BMW or a modern classic, BMW, you would know that they're notorious for their bad oil leaks, so hopefully this will keep the oil away for a while now. Press these firmly in place, one side done. Okay, so both sides done and ready to go in place. I'm going to install the chain tensioner now. So this is the tensioner and this is the cap, and I'm putting a new washer as well.